Good morning, friends, families, and future clients. This is your dependable broker, Nick Dimanlig. Yes, let me ask you muna a question. What comes to your mind if I ask you that I have this lot-only property na located in Bacoor, Metro Cavite na 10 minutes lang from MCX at Evia Mall at 20 minutes from Alabang? Hmm? For sure, sasabihin nyo, mahal no? No, watch this video kasi meron akong i-feature na lot-only property na sobrang mura that you can avail as high as 50% discount. Panoorin natin to kasi kasing ganda to ng flower na to. Okay.
Your dream house made possible by the dependable.
Camellia Cerritos Trails, located in Daang Hari, Cavite, a super sprawling property spread across 10 hectares of magnificent area. The property is a stately property that boasts a themed and modern-inspired establishment that is very affordable to live in. Also, Camellia Cerritos Trails is within the diverse city of Evia, which is a master-planned housing development of the Vista Lands. This development is located in the south of Manila and is envisioned to become the premier location in the south. Camellia Cerritos Trails is located such that it only takes a few minutes drive to the commercial districts of Alabang and Las Piñas, making it very conveniently situated. Even a shuttle service is provided to the residents for all the subdivision to major destinations, allowing them to travel as per their requirement. The Camellia Cerritos Trails offers a variety of different amenities for its residents, like a clubhouse that can be used to hang out with your friends and a basketball court where sports lovers can challenge each other for a friendly game. Parks and playground where families along with their kids can spend quality time together and make new memories. There is also a common multipurpose hall that can be used for events and parties. A spacious swimming pool is also added in the amenities, which will help you in cooling off on those hot summer days and provide a fun time with your family. There are manicured parks that add to the outdoor areas. It's not every day that you find a perfect match to meet your many needs. Security and safety of residents are given utmost consideration. An entrance gate and perimeter fence is constructed with 24-hour security that does patrolling in the premise. And friends, families, and future clients, I'm standing here right now dito sa isang 72 square meter property sa loob ng Cerritos Trails in Molino 4, Bacoor, Cavite. So it's a Camellia property, it's a prime location property na malapit lang sa Evia Mall, sa MCX at sa Alabang. So 72 square meters, ang frontage niya is approximately 7.2 at ang depth niya is around 10 meters. Ayan. So, kumbaga, pag titignan ko yung mga type of houses na nandito kay Camellia, ay kay Cerritos Trails, is kasyang-kasya dito na makapagpatayo ka ng around 3 bedrooms na property and a house. May 2 toilet and bath. Then, possible, magkaroon ka pa ng deck at magkaroon ka ng parking space. So, sobrang ganda nitong property na to. Hindi siya ganong kalaki at hindi rin siya ganong kaliit. Tamang-tama lang para sa needs mo. And best of all, this property, ang original price niya is around 6 million pesos. Pero, with that, we can avail this property with a 50% discount. So, magkano yon? 3 million pesos lang. And you can enjoy the amenities dito sa Cerritos Trails at located ka pa na malapit ka lang sa Daang Hari. So, less hassle, ang ganda ng location at sobrang mura pa. Yan. I'll give you 3 good reasons bakit you should take a look and consider in buying this lot-only property. Number 1, Cerritos Trails is already an established subdivision, meaning sold out na po ito. So, if you buy this property, may enjoy nyo po ang amenities ni Cerritos Trails, which has a swimming pool, clubhouse, parks and playground, and a basketball court as well. So, kumbaga, hindi ka na mag-iisip kung ano ba yung magiging itsura ng binibili mo. Then, number 2 is location. Location-wise, napakalapit nito sa Evia, sa MCX, at sa may Alabang mismo. So if you're somebody na working sa Metro Manila, makakauwi ka sa property na to. Yan. So sobrang accessible ng location niya. And number 3, the best of all, this 72 square meter property, ang current market value niya, alam niyo kung magkano? 6 million pesos. But this property is so discounted that you can avail as high as 50% discount. Yes, tama po kayo ng pagkakarinig. So, dating 6 million, you can avail this property as low as 3 million pesos lang po. All you need is contact me, then I'll show you personally this property, and for sure, magugustuhan mo to. Promise.